Top 10 Heart-Healthy Foods. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Health Tips 365. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our health and wellness tips. Today, we have an exciting and super important topic to discuss. 10 heart-healthy foods that can make a real difference in your cardiovascular health. Let's dive right in. 1. Fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mani mackerel, trout, and shuni sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation, lower triglycerides, and keep your heart strong and healthy. Tip: try to include fish in your meals at least 2 times a week for maximum benefits. 2. Berries. Berries are small but mighty, packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. These fruits can reduce inflammation and lower your risk of heart disease. Plus, they're delicious in smoothies, salads, or just as a snack. 3. Whole grains. Swap refined grains for key whole grains like oats, quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread. Whole grains are loaded with fiber and essential nutrients that help lower cholesterol and support a healthy heart. Fun fact: studies show that eating whole grains daily can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease. 4. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutritional powerhouses. They're low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Adding them to your meals can help maintain healthy blood pressure. 5. Nuts. Nuts are a perfect heart-healthy snack. They're rich in healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. A small handful of almonds, walnuts, or pistachios daily can improve cholesterol levels and support heart health. Tip: choose unsalted nuts for the best results. 6. Legumes. Legumes like beans, lentils, and chickpeas are excellent plant-based protein sources. They're high in fiber and minerals, which help lower cholesterol and promote a healthy heart. Add them to soups, salads, or stews for a nutritious boost. 7. Avocados. Avocados aren't just creamy and delicious, they're also heart-healthy. They're rich in monounsaturated fats, potassium, and fiber, all of which improve cholesterol levels and support overall heart health. 8. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a vibrant and tasty addition to any diet. They're packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce the risk of heart disease. Tomatoes are also rich in vitamins C, E, and potassium. Tip: enjoy them fresh, roasted, or in sauces to reap their benefits. 9. Dark chocolate. Good news for chocolate lovers. Dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content is rich in flavonoids, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Consuming it in moderation can lower your risk of heart disease. Reminder: stick to a small piece to avoid excess sugar. 10. Olive oil. When it comes to healthy fats, olive oil is king. Extra virgin olive oil is packed with monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It's been shown to reduce inflammation, improve cholesterol levels, and lower the risk of heart disease. Tip: use olive oil as a salad dressing or drizzle it over cooked vegetables. And there you have it, 10 heart-healthy foods that can transform your diet and support your cardiovascular health. Remember, pairing these foods with regular exercise and a balanced lifestyle is the key to a healthy heart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to Health Tips 365 for more wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.